my version of the 430 dart challenge for Nerf guns, but it's only 10 darts. One, I don't have 430 darts. And two, that'd take way too long for all the Nerf guns I'm having. I'm doing basically all of mine, all the ones that still work. And if you notice, I don't have a ton of Nerf guns, but also, I don't really buy the regular ones. I only have 2 of them, so that's why all of them are mega or rivals. So, anyway, basically what we're doing, all my Nerf guns going up, 430 dart challenge. So, let's get into who is competing. First up, we have the rival takedown, I think it is. This thing, it's a shotgun. Then we have the Nerf dual strike, so it actually holds 6 bullets of elite and mega bullets. Then we have the rival chaos, I think, P90, let's just call it that. It holds 12 bullets, but it'll only be holding 10 today. Then we have this one. I don't even know the name of this, but it's this rival gun. X-Shot Meteor. It's actually a pretty good gun. Then we have the Nerf Fortnite deagle. The one thing I love about this is, and then probably my favorite Nerf gun I have, the Nerf tactical shotgun. It only holds 4 bullets, so we're gonna have to reload 3 times. Reloading is kind of slow, but it does have slam fire. Anyway, that's who's competing. Now let's get on to 10 dart challenge. We're gonna go probably taking the longest, probably taking the shortest amount of time. This is probably gonna take the shortest, although I do love this gun. So, we got the stopwatch right here. It might be on the screen, depends on how lazy I'm gonna be while editing this. And, well, here we go. Hold on. So we get up, reload it. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Bullets fell. Last one. 29.75 seconds, rounded up to 30 seconds. That's kind of slow, but it's okay. Next up we have the Nerf dual strike. This one's probably gonna be slow, but fast, because it can shoot 6 at a time. Well, not at a time, gotta reload each time. And then after we shoot all 6, we're just gonna shoot 3 more megas and 1 more elite. So, let me get this clock ready. Shooting the megas first in 3, 2, 1, go. I guess I wanted to shoot 2 at a time. I guess that counts, but not really at the same time. As you can tell, reloading is kind of slow. .5 seconds, 5.3, so round it up to 28 seconds. That's kind of faster than the Fortnite Deagle. Sadly, Tacky Wacky is next. It is a slow gun though, but it's my favorite gun out of them all. Shoots 4 bullets in the internal mag, but it does have slam fire, so I'm gonna have to reload once for bullets, and then again another 2. So, get this ready. And 3, 2, 1. It is very slow to reload too. It's just 2 bullets, come on. 21 seconds. I didn't stop it on the right time, I'm sorry. So that thing was actually faster than I thought. Probably all because of the slam fire, but next up, we have the X-Shot Meteor. It holds technically 6, but you can fit 7 in there. So I have 7 in there. We will have to reload 3. It's not the quickest reload, but it's kind of like any Nerf gun. So, 3, 2, 1. I don't know why I shot an extra one. Frick. As you can tell. "24 seconds, round down to 24, so actually not the worst." Okay, now we have the Nerf Chaos, I think. I don't know. Rival. It holds 8, and also now I have this just tray thing to put, so the bullets don't go rolling away. And it holds 8. I'll have to reload 2. So here we go. Whoa. In 3, 2, 1. Still fell though. "17 seconds. That's a new record. This thing was fast actually. Okay. 10 bullets in here. It holds 12. So it should just be fast. But the reason I think this one will be faster is because this one you gotta let charge up a little. This one has slam fire and it holds enough bullets to hold 10. Like, this thing goes poo, poo, poo. This one you can go poo, poo, poo. Like, you get the point. So, 3, 2, 1. Seconds I'll give it, since I did have to like open it. This gun isn't the most reliable. It does cut out on you sometimes. 16 seconds though is a new record. Here we go. Rival something. And I think this one's gonna be the fastest, but we will see. I just personally think it will. So, in 3, 2, 1. Well, I thought I shot 10, but I'll give it 8, 9. It doesn't really matter. It won. I'll say 9 seconds just because. The final scores for my Nerf 10 Dart Challenge. So we'll start back with 7th place coming in at 30 seconds for the deagle. Then the dual strike getting a 28 seconds, coming in 6th. 5th, we have the meteor coming in at 24 seconds. Tactical shotgun coming in 21 seconds. These are all really close. Then the shotgun, rival shotgun, I still haven't learned the name, is 17 seconds in 3rd place. 2nd place goes to the rival P90, coming in at 16 seconds. So these two were a second off. Plus I had to like restart this one and stuff. Then 1st place is the rival Artemis, coming in with 9 seconds. And well, all these were really close. Nothing really even came close to the Artemis. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like the video and subscribe. I don't know why I did that, but again, just thanks for watching. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know if you want me to do more of these, maybe different challenge from my Nerf guns.